of what is in my FPV bag. It's a very inconspicuous bag where I can take my master Zorro. You're going to like this. I have my DJI bag, but I use it to carry. Yeah, it's so hard when you're trying to film and do this at the same time. And I carry my SkyZone 04X just like that. And then my drone. So anyways, this is my maiden flight of this drone over here. My 3D printer is waiting for parts, so I could not wait. I had to redesign a different thing for here, but I just stuck that because this should be able to do 15 millimeters, but I put a big stack in here, so I had to lift it up to 20 millimeters. I would not really recommend this build, even though it's still pretty good. The motors are not designed to go like this, but I made this frame, so even if it's not designed to do it, you can do it anyways. Runcam by the elastic. Back home in Ecuador, when the car is not working, we take elastics and we make it all work. So that is part of my nature shining through. Anyways, come on, let's go.